1970 Buick LeSabre. Not the first time I started since the transmission, about the third time. Oil pressure's good. Engine's cold. Got a full tank. I gotta run it until it gets warm. Check the dipstick again. I've added about 3 times. I don't just put it in all in at once, because it just leaks on the floor when you try and do that. So I just put in enough so it checks full when the car ain't running. Then I start it and check it, and so on and so forth, and I keep adding until it's full. I got about 7 or 8 quarts in there now. Getting pretty close to being able to back it down off the ramps with the new transmission.